probably had Fritos before, but have you had a Frito Pie Casserole? Well, if you haven't, let me show you how. I'm adding a pound of ground beef, but you could also use ground turkey or ground chicken. This recipe is so easy, and you can customize it to the ingredients that you like. Now that the meat is almost browned, I'm going to drain some of the grease. But I definitely want to keep some. Okay, that's a good amount. And I'm going to add my seasoning. We like to use Siete mild taco seasoning. Once the seasoning is incorporated, you can add your other ingredients. So I'm adding onion, and you can add as much or as little as you want of all these ingredients. What do you think, Mark? You good with that? Yeah. Okay. I'm using pinto beans, but you could also use black beans.
My favorite are pinto.
Yeah. And my favorite are black beans.
More.
Okay.
Add them all.
Okay. Got an orange bell pepper. There we go. Stir it up a little bit. And I'm also going to add corn, because we like corn. All right, now I'm adding cheese. And again, as much or as little as you want. We like cheese. All right, what do you think? All of it?
Yeah.
I think so too. I've got some tomatoes. I'm going to put those in the middle. You could add sour cream or Greek yogurt. Big dab right in the middle. I've got lettuce. Guess what? We're almost done. And I'm going to also add some green onions. I've chopped those up. Okay, I almost forgot the most important part, which was the Fritos. So I'm going to crush these up just a little bit. And I'm going to put these on top. That would be crazy. Well, it wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't forget something. All right, it's time to try Frito Pie Casserole. Thank you. Want a little of the middle? The sour cream?
Yeah, a little sour cream, please.
Okay. There
Perfect.
we go, right
Thank
on
you.
top.
Nice. Ooh, let me get something. Couple extra Fritos.
Just in case.
One of you?
Sure.
There you go.
Yum. All right. Nice and crunchy.
One of our favorite restaurants downtown makes these walking tacos where in a bigger bag of Fritos or Doritos, they'll put these types of ingredients in and you just kind of eat it out of the bag, and really neat. So if you're looking for something fun to do with the kids, that's a great idea. We'll make another one of those kind of videos later on.
Right. At another time. Yep, absolutely. But I like all these ingredients. These are our favorites.
Thank you for using pinto beans.
You're welcome.
I know you like black beans, but I'm a pinto bean fan. Compromise.
Mmm.
Very flavorful.
Right.
Nice.
Really good. And you can add more or less of anything you want. Now, some people might add olives, but we don't like olives, so we didn't add those. But otherwise, I like this recipe, and it's fast.
Super fast. How long?
Oh, less than 30 minutes. Yep.
Perfect weeknight recipe.
Oh, I know. That would be good.
You know the kids will love it.
They can put the Fritos on, right? I'm sure they'd love to crush them. Eat one, crush one,
Yeah.
put it on.
Well, thanks for making this, Brigetta.
You're welcome. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're going to enjoy this one.